Where Luca at? Come on, Luca. I need you over here. Yeah. We great. Do our thing now. Where the 19? Where the first 19, Luca? Where the first 19 at?
Hold on. Hold on. He gotta pay. He gotta pay 15. He gotta pay for his 15.
That look like more than 20.
No, it's just this guy right here.
21 with you.
Go help your brother over there, man, please. We get too many people over here. We good over here, man. Help your. Oh, but shit, he ain't got a line. Exactly. How you been, man? You all right?
You tonight?
Yeah, man. You know it's Memorial trying to give me some money. I need my half.
That's fine.
So UNT, y'all do what y'all do, but I need my half.
What size you want? 43, 42?
The one closest to the stairs.
After he get us 23 in.
Where the other 13 people, man? Where the other money at, man? Cause what's happening right here? What's happening?
What?
No.
See nothing.
Zoe, what up? Come on. Who you with?
Just me and him, bro.
Look, I got this in my hand.
You never hit me back.
Hold on, but hold on, though, player.
That's Mike.
I know,
that's
but
Mike.
you just, hey, player, come on. Can we all pay attention for 1 second? Okay. Can y'all make sure y'all know how many people is and they got their money ready? All what just happened just now is unacceptable. We moving, we losing these tables. Can y'all just make sure y'all got it?
They've already gave me a warning earlier this week.
But you know, we can close the doors and make everybody disperse a little bit and, or get in line. We good to go.
Get them out of here.
I'm cool with that.
Back.
I saw that shit today in the day. That shit wet. There's so much room in there, man. Like I can see if it was like, you forgot I did this for years. It's so much room in there, man. Come on, man. Like, don't do that to me, man. Y'all,
You got your section already.
I've scooted them over. That's the section you're gonna have, but it ain't for no lot of people.
It's for at least 7 people, right?
So
all right, let's go.
we're gonna go the back way, so he don't go through the crowd. We're gonna go through the back of the house and then put him right there.
Ready to go?
Hold up, I'm gonna make sure they straight. We're gonna make sure they straight.
Wait.
I'm gonna stay here. I'll stay here. Wait, let me, cause I gotta guide you. Let me guide you. Let them get in.
Yo.
You gotta. Somebody gotta control it. Man, that's it. There we go. There it is. Let's get it.
That's foreign language. With money talk, son. That's foreign language. What's up? Yeah, we riding dirty. What the fuck is saying? I let you niggas tell it, but the story always